In the morning analysis, we had looked for bullishness in gold, silver, and likewise for Dow Jones and Nasdaq, and see precisely both all of them have traded bullish so far. So what to expect now with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and towards the end Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. And do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do note down the levels. Now look at the hourly chart. Now if you look at the hourly charts of gold, clearly it has got the support here at 1780, which we saw today early in the day, and now it is giving you a breakout, and this is the first breakout candle. But remember, this is also trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and see the width of the Bollinger Bands has narrowed. It means that it will give you a stronger move either which way, such that the Bollinger Bands can expand and it can continue with the bullish momentum. See, it tried to push outside but again falling back within the zone. Let's be observant also, because 1791 is a good resistance, and beyond that 95 and 1800 levels should be seen. 1800, one very good resistance there. Direction movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards. Look at the MACD, this is crossing over for a buy again. It was bearish. RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, taking the support here, consolidating for a while, it is trying to rise. And see, so far if you see the movement of gold, first support over here, then a rise, retracement, now trying to get the support, and now trying to rise again. And hence probably if it is the beginning of this bullish movement, till the time it trades above 1780, we can expect it to achieve higher highs. The resistance there at 1800 levels is going to be very strong. Be cautious of this. 1800, 1803 levels certainly are going to be very good resistance. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic trying to look upwards from here. Let's see if it sustains. The MACD is diverging again, it is in the green zone. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it has given a breakout. See, after consolidating for a while, how far it can go. See, the zone here at 1796, 98 is going to be a very important resistance zone for gold, and beyond that 1800, 1803 levels to be seen. Only short entry today is below 1780. Below 1780 you can expect a drop. Till the time it trades above 1780, the possibility of it to rise or remain bullish exists. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is again trying to diverge a bit, again trying to trade bullish, and the RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, but remember these are markets, and hence once you see it trading below 1780, you have to go short. Remember this fact, these are markets and can reverse any point of time. So trade as per the levels. If you see it trading below 1780, you can sell for 1774, 75, which is going to be a very good support, and below that 1770. Below 1770 it will look for a crash. That is what we can see. Also look at this rise, retracement. First bullish candle, probably if it sustains above 1780 levels, you can see next bullish candle also, which might take it till towards 96, 90, 95, 98 zone, which is a good resistance. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic near to the highs, again trying to look upwards. The MACD is diverging again, it is trying to trade bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Now looking at the daily chart, see, previous 2 candles we had seen this higher lows were seen, and then a bullish candle yesterday was seen. Now it has taken the support here, it has formed the tail, trying to probably give a bullish candle. But see, there are resistances at 1800 and 1798, so even if it tries to trade bullish, it may try to get the resistance at this zone. That is very important there. At the same time, only bearishness is below 1780 levels. Below that you can expect 1774, 75, and till 1770 it has got very strong support on the downside. Possibility of it to if it trades above 1791, you can buy, but then expect 1795, 96 as a very good resistance, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Hence buy at 1791, sell at 1780. In between these $11, just be observant, just be watchful. As in the morning analysis, definitely with that you must have profited till now. Now it's the time for you to remain watchful and take the trades accordingly. In between 80 and 91, do not trade. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. Now look at the hourly charts for Nasdaq 100. consolidating for a while. It has again given a bullish breakout, and see, this is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Also, it has achieved the resistance there at 11,580. This is also pivot level, and it is trying to retrace back a bit. Only bearish confirmation is if it trades below 11,500. Till the time it trades above 11,500, do not sell the Nasdaq 100. At the same time, above 11,585. Yesterday also we did see this. This is a very strong resistance zone, and also look at the width of the Bollinger Bands. It is starting to diverge. Possibility exists that the next candle may take it further up, and hence you can take your trades accordingly. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is trading near to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish here, and this is looking upwards. The RSI is also looking upwards on the hourly charts. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, certainly it is achieved. See, not only this a pivot level, but see this multiple candles getting the resistance here at the same levels, and hence once it trades above 11,585. Yesterday also I asked you for the same. If you see it trading above 11,585, you can stay long. Then 620, 660 levels are the next target, and then 700, 760 levels to be seen there at the upside. Now look at the 2-hour charts. See couple of consolidation candles, and this breakout. There is a possibility that it may try to remain above 11,500. Only bearish confirmation is below 11,500, and then 11,480. If it breaks below 11,480, you can buy there. So rather I will say in between 480 and 580 for these 100 points you should avoid taking a trade. Directional movement willing to converge here. It is bearish so far. Stochastic is overbought. That is another observation on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It can sustain this bullish momentum for a little while. RSI is looking upwards too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, likewise, similarly, you will find the 50-period moving average. Also, the pivot points are giving it a resistance. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Once it breaks out beyond 11,585, you can expect 620, 660, in fact 700 levels, and in fact I will look forward to further highs till towards this zone, that is 11,760 and 800. It has the potential for it to rise till there, but remember we did draw it yesterday, and again I am trying to draw. See, 11,600, 620 levels should be the first resistance level, which will play good for Nasdaq 100. If it breaks out beyond this, certainly bullish momentum may continue, taking it till towards 760, 800 levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is again come back to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is bullish, and this is looking upwards. Possibility exists that we may see a little bullish momentum. See, the bullish momentum was very strong. The bearishness was small. Again, the bullish momentum may sustain. We have to be observant here. RSI was oversold, and now it is coming out of the oversold zone. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see the 4-hour charts, you'll find after consolidating for a while, it was trading in this, and this channel is trying to give a breakout, and hence the possibility exists that it may show you little bullish momentum. The next candle, if you see it trading above 11,585, you can expect 11,620, and then beyond that you can expect further more rise till 660, 710, 760 and 800 levels also. Beyond 800, sky is the limit for Nasdaq 100. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards and looking bullish. The MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move. It is still in the sell side. RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. Most importantly, on the daily charts, I told you in the morning analysis also, 11,400 is a very good support for Nasdaq 100, and if it tries to go there, you can again buy at 11,400 and expect it to rise. See what it is trying to do. It is trying to create a symmetry here. See, similar body size, similar candle size. So possibility exists that it may refrain itself from breaking 11,585 and refrain from breaking 11,400 levels, and may trade within this zone. There is a possibility exists. At the same time, if it breaks beyond 11,600, certainly it can try to show you little bullish momentum till 11,660, 700 levels, and in fact beyond those levels are also possible. Directional movement is bearish and trying to converge. The stochastic is at bottom on the daily chart. The MACD divergent and bearish, but it appears it has seen the peak. Possibility exists that it may try to converge from here. RSI trading flat. Considering this, only sell entry I will recommend today for Nasdaq 100. Below 11,500, where you can expect 11,480 first support, 11,440 next, and 11,400 the third support and strongest support. If it breaks 11,400, it will continue with the bearish momentum on the upside. Beyond 11,585, you can expect more rise. 11,600, 620, 660, and then 710, 760 levels to be seen, and 800 is going to be the maximum resistance if it continues to try till there. I expect at max 11,700 levels, 710 levels might get achieved today. You have to be just observant a bit, and hence take your trades accordingly. Only sell entry and bearish confirmation is if it draws below 11,400. Till the time you have to trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now track the movement of Dow Jones. See, here was a reversal, then rise, retracement, rise, and see the bullish momentum is outweighing the retracement levels, indicates that it is trying to sustain the bullish momentum. Now look at this 33,800 levels, 33,780 levels, very strong resistance lies there. We had seen this yesterday, we are looking at it again, and if it trades beyond this, certainly more bullishness can be seen. Also look at the Bollinger Bands. This candle was completely outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback, but definitely this candle should get the Bollinger Bands expanded, and then it may continue with the bullish momentum with the next candle. Also the support there on the downside at 33,580, 560 levels is strong, and hence I will recommend you to sell there at 33,560 levels. Only below that you can expect 33,500 as the very good support, and below that 33,450 and 400 levels should be seen there. Very strong support. Till the time it trades above 33,400, I'll not recommend you to stay bearish. Till the time you have to trail your stop loss. Look at the directional movement, divergent bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD bullish, RSI looking upwards. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, after consolidating for a while, this is the first breakout candle. This also means that the second breakout candle can be further strong. Remember 33,950 and 34,000. This is a maximum strongest resistance zone for Dow Jones. First thing is it has to trade above 33,800, then you can expect 33,950 and 34,000 levels as the next targets. Possibly we may see that. Directional movement trying to converge crossover for a bullish move, stochastic near to the overbought level, and interestingly it is looking downwards, so we have to wait a bit. The MACD is divergent and bullish, the RSI is looking upwards here too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, it had created the steps. This is the fourth step here, and still if the next candle opens above this, it may show you very strong bullish momentum. It might take it till towards 33,950 and 34,000 levels. Yes, only bearish confirmation is if it trades below 33,550 levels. Below that 33,500, 450, 400 levels to be seen. Very strong support level lies here. The directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. It is looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you'll find likewise. See, higher lows, just keep these candles out, and if you eliminate this, you'll find higher lows are seen. At the same time, the resistance there at 33,800 is very strong. Beyond that, certainly 33,950, 34,000 levels to be seen. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD has just taken a crossover, and this is trying to diverge a bit. It can continue to do so. It can continue to trade extremely bullish from here. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, see the previous candle for candle of indecision. Here we have seen the flat bottom. Here it has seen the same high. So possibility is that it may try to refrain its movement within this, and then the next probability is that it may try to achieve 34,000 today itself. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is bottom, the MACD divergent and bullish, bearish, and RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can remain long on Dow Jones till the time it trades above 33,550, and yes, only above 33,550 you can expect. See, 33,800 levels certainly be a good resistance. Beyond that, you may see it hitting 33,950, 34,000 levels. On the downside, below 33,550, you can expect 33,500, 450, 400 levels to be seen, which is going to be a very strong support level. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.